morning everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I will discuss the numericals based on argument with symbolic form. In the last classes we have done numericals based on argument, but symbolic form was given in previous numericals. In today's examples, we ourselves will have to create symbolic form. So the question is, test the validity of following arguments. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then opposite angles are equal. Two sides of a triangle are not equal, then conclusion, the opposite angles are not equal. So here statements are given, so we will have to first translate them into symbolic form, then we will have to make argument, afterwards we will have to create truth table, then finally we can conclude is it valid or fallacy. So let P is equal to two sides of a triangle are equal, Q is equal to the opposite angles are equal. So statement 1 will be P implies Q as if and then are given. So for those statement in which if then are given, we will use implies means conditional operator. Statement 2 will be not P as opposite angles are in not Q. Statement 2 will be opposite angles are not equal, sides of a triangle are not equal. So statement 2 will be not P, and conclusion is opposite angles are not equal, so conclusion will be not Q. So the argument form will be P implies Q, comma not P, argument not Q. So first we will create a truth table. So in truth table we can see the premises are given in last column and third column. So we will check the premises, they are true in row 3 and row 4. Similarly we will check the conclusion in fourth column, not Q. It is false in third row, but it is true in last row. So it is false in one row, so this argument is not valid, it is false. The answer will be same accordingly, which we had discussed in previous classes, but the change here is of symbolic form. Next question, determine the validity of the following argument. If 7 is less than 4, then 7 is not a prime number. Next, 7 is not less than 4, then conclusion is 7 is a prime number. So we will have to let P is equal to 7 is less than 4, Q is equal to 7 is a prime number. Only two propositions are sufficient. So symbolic form will be, for first there are if and then are given, so there will be conditional operator used. The symbolic form will be P implies not Q. Similarly second statement will be 7 is not less than 4, so it will be not P, and conclusion will be Q. So argument form will be P implies not Q, comma not P, argument Q. So we will have to create truth table, and in truth table we will check the premises P implies not Q in last column, not P in third column. We will check they are true together in row 3, row 4. Similarly we will check the conclusion only Q in second column. We can see in row 3 conclusion Q is true, but in row 4 it is false, so this argument is again not valid, it is fallacy. So this is the method to answer the questions according to symbolic form and to answer the argument. Okay class, thank you.